I'm back on YouTube today. Today is so awesome. Today I'll be showing you how to how to initially first set up your iPhone 10 XX Max. I just got a hold of this phone. This is a beautiful phone, honestly. I know it's got dual cameras. This is the black version, as you can see. It's such a beautiful phone. I just turned the phone on to, and this is just to show you guys one thing. This is the iPhone 10, as like I said. This is the 64 gig version. Let me let that focus in right there. As you see, this is the 64 gig version. This is the space gray color, and as you see, it says iPhone XS Max. Gosh, it's kind of hard to say. So, anyways, I got a hold of this phone. It's a fairly brand new phone, honestly. It's a 64 gig phone. In order to turn the phone on, actually right now the screen is in sleep mode. You just tap the power button, and you are greeted with multiple languages saying hello in French and Chinese and whatnot, in English of course. So you want to swipe up, and then you want to choose your language. Okay, I know I clicked on it. Now it says select your country. Let's see, United States. Oops. And now this says quick start. Let's see. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Okay. If you want, you can also set up this iPhone manually. So let's go ahead and set up manually since I don't have another iOS device nearby. Oops. And let's see, now it says choose the Wi-Fi network. Let's see, should we log into, yeah, let's go ahead and log into Wi-Fi real quick. Go ahead and put in my password. Can't let you guys see this one, right? That wouldn't be fair game. And we're gonna join the network, and may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. I'm actually not trying to activate it right now. I just wanted to connect to Wi-Fi just to see what it's like, and just to see if I can update the apps and whatnot. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get into the phone's menu to test out the camera and whatnot, and to do a quick review. Data and privacy. Okay, let's hit continue. This is Face ID. As you guys know, the iPhone 10, the XX Max, I believe all iPhone 10s have this feature. It's the Face ID. It says iPhone can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically. Use Apple Pay and make purchases from the iTunes and App stores. So let's hit sign up later in settings. Okay, create a passcode. A passcode protects your data and is used to unlock iPhone. I guess it looks like it's gonna have to be a 6-digit code. So just for this purpose, I'm just gonna go ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The passcode can be easily guessed. Okay, your passcode will be used to unlock the iPhone and protect access to your data stored in iCloud. Use anyway. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, create a passcode, re-enter your passcode. So we're gonna do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it says to re-enter the passcode. Okay, there we go. Now we're at apps and data. Restore from iCloud backup. I mean, these are the options now you can do with an iPhone. Again, this is the first initial setup. You can restore backup from iCloud. You can restore from iTunes backup. More data. Let's see, move data from Android. That's interesting. There's also don't transfer apps and data. I'm gonna go ahead and choose that option. Now it says okay, Apple ID. Sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud, iTunes, the App Store, and more. And forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. Let's see. So how can we bypass this feature in order to use different Apple IDs for iCloud and iTunes? Your Apple ID is the account you use to access all Apple services. So I guess use different Apple IDs for iCloud and iTunes. I guess I'll click on that. Enter the Apple ID and use ID used for iCloud. Okay, I don't have an iCloud account. I guess I'm gonna hit back. Forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. I'm gonna click on that. See if that can get us by. Forgot password or Apple ID. Create a free Apple ID. Set up later and settings. Okay. Let's click on setup later and settings. Are you sure you don't want to use an Apple ID? Don't use. Don't use. Okay. Terms and conditions, blah blah blah. Of course you wanna hit I agree on the bottom. Feel free to read those on your end once you guys have time on your schedule. This is express settings. You can use the settings below or customize them individually. So let's see, allow maps and other apps and services like Find My iPhone to gather and use data indicating your location. Okay, let's go ahead and hit continue on that. We'll just leave it the way it is. And now we're at keep your iPhone up to date. Get the latest features, security, and improvements by updating iOS automatically. You will receive a notification before updates are installed and can choose other options and settings. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit continue. iMessage and FaceTime. Okay, people can contact you on all your devices with iMessage and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. The number of this iPhone will be sent to Apple to set up message and FaceTime. Okay, so I guess we're gonna hit not now. Just to bypass that feature, of course, iPhone has Siri. Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Siri can even make suggestions before you ask in apps, search, and keyboards. To use Siri, press and hold the side button or say hey Siri anytime. Okay, setup, let's see, setup later and settings. I'm gonna click on that. Screen time, let's see, get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps. Okay, I'm gonna hit setup later and settings. Okay, now it says app analytics. Help app developers improve their apps by choosing to share app activity. I'm gonna hit don't share. Okay, it's up to you guys. You can share that information or that data, or you don't want to share it. It's totally up to you guys. This is True Tone Display. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Interesting. Let's see. See without True Tone Display. We're gonna hit continue since that's an interesting feature. Let's see. Display zoom. Standard or zoomed. So choose how you would like to view iPhone. Zoomed shows larger text and controls. Standard fits more on screen. You can change this at any time in settings. Okay, so I guess I want to go with the I think I want to go with the standard, excuse me. So choose a view. Okay, so I believe I want to go with standard. I choose standard. Okay, we're gonna hit next. Well, it's already on standard, so we're gonna hit next. Go home. Okay, actually I might have chose hit back. Yeah, gonna hit next. So it's definitely set to standard zoom, standard view. Swipe up from the button edge at any time to go home. Okay, so we're gonna hit continue. Switch between recent apps. Okay, swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Alright, we're gonna hit continue. Quickly access controls. Swipe down from the top right edge to open control center. Press firmly on a control to reveal more options. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna hit continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Alright, So we're gonna swipe up. Awesome. And you have pretty much just set up your new iPhone X XS Max for basic usage right now. We haven't set up iMessages or FaceTime or anything like that. All I did was connect to Wi-Fi. This is, as you can see, this is a beautiful phone. Wow, what a beautiful display. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope this helps you set up your new iPhone 10. And I believe all of the settings and all the settings that I came across are very similar on all i10 phones, I would imagine, not just the XX Max. So let me know in the video if you guys have any questions, if you have any concerns, or just drop me a line, drop me a question, or drop me a line in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up on this video, as it will definitely help my channel out. I definitely appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel. Up until then, I will have some more iPhone 10 videos coming here very soon on my YouTube channel. So I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.